So here we have a circuit in which there are 3 ohm 5 resistors, as you can see in the diagram. Now let us have a look at how we can find out the resistance between point P and point Q and the resistance between point X and point Y. So let us start with this. Here we have this circuit diagram, but first of all we need to make a simple circuit diagram for the same. So here we have a simple version. Let us say this is point X. Now from point X there is a resistor which is connected, and then we have reached to point P. So here let us mark it as point P. In the diagram I can see that from point P there are two different wires that are emerging out, or it is bifurcating into two parts. So here I am drawing my point P to be bifurcated into two parts. Now in the first wire, here you can see we have two resistors. I am drawing two resistors. This is the first one, this is the second one, and in the second wire I am having only a single resistor. So here I am drawing the third one. Now the point where these two wires are joining, that is point Q, so I am labeling it as Q. And on this wire also we have a resistor of 3 ohm, and the final point is Y. So this is my simple diagram. Now I know that each resistor is of 3 ohm. So let us quickly write it as each resistor is of 3 ohm, as you can see here. Let us find out the total resistance. First of all, we'll be solving for this part. So for this part, let us find out the total resistance. If I'm going to join these two resistors, the total resistance will come out to be 3 ohm plus 3 ohm. That is giving me the value of 6 ohm. So this 6 ohm and this 3 ohm is in parallel to each other. So one are parallel, that is equals to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. On solving this, LCM is coming out to be 6. So 1 plus 2, I can see our parallel is coming out to be 3 by 6. And on solving this, our parallel value will come 2. So here this resistance, this complete resistance is going to be of 2 ohms. Now we have 3 resistors present over here. Let us see each one. So let me just clean this part. Okay. So here we have the resistors. This is the first one. This all will become the second part, and this is the third one. So these three are in series. So resistance in series will become 3 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 3 ohm. So I can see the answer 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 and 8. So the answer is coming out to be 8 ohm for resistance in series. And this is the final answer.